Which has been your longest train journey as a child, and what did you enjoy most about it?
Yeah, I traveled a lot by train because when I was in school, I played national level badminton, and so I had to travel a lot by train. But the longest and the one that I'll always remember is when I was in the 9th standard. The school took us to Nepal, but we went back from Bangalore to Calcutta, and our friends were on. So we were a group of like really naughty kids, and so from Bangalore to Calcutta is the longest that I've done, and I remember it because of the fact that I was with my closest friends, and they're all my friends even today. Nothing specific, but it's just something that's stayed with me.
The longest I've felt I've done a journey. I've not traveled too much by train, but the longest was I think, my first job as an usher for a show of Mr. Pankaj Vilas or Mr. Mendalota. I think there was a ghazal program in Shiripur Auditorium. Like a 50 rupees. Four friends had got the job to make everyone sit on the seats. There's a lot of money that time, so we decided to see the Taj Mahal in Agra. So we took a train, went there. Within that 50 rupees, we did everything. We didn't have any money to buy food, so we bought, I still remember, a pink lassi. And we had it, but there were some bumblebees in it. I think I tagged one of them, and on the way, the four of us were just throwing up, sticking our heads out of the train that we were traveling by. It's not a long journey, but it seems like the longest journey I've ever had. And the Taj Mahal was beautiful. Pink lassi, I've never done after that.
And which has been your most favorite station in the Chennai Express, the whole journey?
We actually haven't traveled great way. Just
Location should be still also
what would you
a lot of it is shot in studio and VFX. Train stations we've shot a lot. I think one of the train stations we cheated in Goa, one we've done in Hyderabad, one we've done in another place in Maya. So we've cheated a lot of railway stations. It's difficult to get permissions for the actual stations. But if you ask me as not the station, but I think the part we enjoyed the most was staying in Dubai, where we shot a lot of the village portion where Deepika's character Meena Lochak.
Thank you very much.
Hi Shahrukh.